Down, and you go like this, and the bucket is filled with water, and then you start pulling it. Let me tell you, explain to you the evolution of this exercise. At the beginning, without training, you go like this, pulling on the rope. Without training, you can do this immediately. But after you do this, one time you have to get 2 buckets, and then you carry the 2 with a long pole home. And I, even in the early 80s, grew up doing that. One village, remember guys, village in China is very big, and there's only one well. It will take you 2 hours early in the morning. You get up really early to go line up, get the water, and carry the water home. And then you get really tired because you put the long pole here. Each bucket is on each side. You carry the water like that. Now you get really tired and your back will hurt. So the Chen village people thought of a method. Instead of doing this, you go down in half horse stance, you only twist your quads like this. And now you realize that they get a professional, like today a machine, like an auger, kind of a machine, and this guy pulls up the water, and he becomes very efficient all day, and you guys just come and we all put money together and pay this guy, and if he does this, you only carry the water home. So he becomes a water, is like this thing, right? So now you see here, this center, the 2 knees are not moving up and down, you only use the quad, and your hand is not taking any power. See, this pulls up because of this here, and this one pulls up because of this here. Now this is a rotating machine here, and your hand can do lots. So this is the 3rd exercise, and I call it fetch water. At least it's very easy for you to remember. Just say pulling up the rope. It's more kind of, you don't get the image. So that's the 3rd exercise.